All right, guys, today we're doing something a little different today. We have a guest. Everybody, meet Fred. Fred is a ballistic skull, and today he's going to help us with testing an OTF knife, an out-the-front automatic switchblade knife. We're gonna test whether or not this will fail or can it penetrate the forehead of a ballistic skull. Bang! Neeves Knives. I'm Jared with my lovely wife Kara behind the camera.
Hello.
And Fred here. Now let's test this OTF. Today's OTF we're going to be testing is the TEKTO HUMVEE. It is an overbuilt OTF knife out the front, automatic, with D2 steel and aluminum body. It's USA assembled with overseas and locally sourced parts. So yeah, it's a pretty good quality OTF.
Oh, he's bleeding.
So you can see it went right through the skull. This is supposed to be the thickest portion of a human skull, right here. Maybe we'll try the next one directly right there. Then we're gonna give Kara a couple shots. Ooh, same spot. I didn't go all the way in, but I can. The tip is still perfect on this. 100%, no chipping, no breaking. The skull did crack though. I was hoping this was gonna be green zombie blood. I requested, but looks like here's some bone, you know, or bone fragment.
Does
fake bone fragment.
Feel like a skull to you?
Yeah. Well,
or does it feel like plastic?
It feels like hard plastic, but it's still though like that's what bone feels like.
Yeah, we're just made of hard plastic.
Yeah, I mean, feel this.
I don't want to get blood on my hands.
Okay, all right.
Or fake paint.
Next, let's do some more poking, and then we might bring in a different knife.
Ready?
All right, Kara's going to stab the side of the skull in 3, 2, 1.
Did nothing. Hold on.
You gotta act like your life's depending
Okay,
on it.
all right, I gotta act like this is my life.
Careful with your other hand.
Oh, I'm so scared.
All right, go. There you go.
That was my life. Don't know if my life depends on it. I will be okay. According to Fred.
This one actually put a really big cavity.
Yeah.
It's not splitting from one to the other though. So now.
So is this just harder over here? Because I mean, when I tell you this did nothing, watch.
No,
here,
it's not harder. You just.
I want to try again right here.
It's still hard. You just have to.
No, it's definitely harder there. You do it there.
Okay, okay.
Oh, I could feel the spring in the knife freaking out.
Here, grab this. My turn. All right, so I guess I'm gonna try it. Kara thinks right here is even harder. Maybe she's right. Let's find out.
Don't prove me wrong. I'm gonna look stupid.
No, it's just as easy.
No, it's not.
It is. Right through. Nice strong skull. But now, how would a YOJUMBO do on this? I will say the OTF did very well so far. No tip damage, no chipping, maybe a little bit of micro chipping from where the edge went through on the sides of the simulated bone. But for the most part, I mean, I can see where the serrations rubbed some of the coating off of them, but for the most part, top notch still. It's got just as much wiggle as it had when it first started, like all OTFs have. No more, no less, nice and solid. Yeah, it's held up pretty good. Now we are bringing out the Spyderco YOJUMBO. Now this is technically a self-defense knife. It was designed for that purpose and everyday carry EDC purposes, which it's really good for. Now this is the large version. They make the YOJIMBO, which is a smaller version, and this is the YOJUMBO, which is an XL version. Very large, compression lock, nice strong locking system. Now with some folding locks, you want to be careful doing anything poking or stabbing because there's always the possibility of the knife failing on you. The compression lock is a nice strong lock. I'm going to try to make sure the force goes towards the spine or towards the stop pin rather than pressure towards the lock. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, ooh, man. All right. Oh, she's stuck. Oh, she's in there, boy. Oh, yeah, she's got, yeah. It went like kind of in and down instead of straight this way. It went like straight that way. Now we do want to try to get one through the back of the skull. So let's just turn it like this.
Where are you stabbing at?
Right here.
Okay.
3.
No. 3, 2, 1. Hold on.
You know what? The tip did not break on this yet. I was expecting this to chip off. I'm surprised. After I drop it, I'm surprised it did not chip. This one, it just might though, because this is probably a little bit harder. Ready? Set. Oh, ooh, I should have stabbed harder. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yep. I got juice all over me. Yeah, that, you can see how the bone is actually a little bit malleable, but it's also very hard. Like it breaks like glass almost, like real bone would, I guess. So it does have some pretty genuine consistencies. And there is a brain inside of this, by the way. I should have said that from the start. There is supposed to be a brain inside this, but there's only one way to find out what that brain looks like. Let's go get a kukri.
It's on.
All right, guys, we have an authentic kukri. Shout out to Seems Logical for making this thing possible. And we are going to, we're gonna shoot for right downward like that.
You're aiming at all the blood at me.
I do have the Quachetti still, but I don't know if there's gonna be anything left after this. So let's just see how it goes.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That looks like that Halloween costume where the knife is through the top of the head.
Yep. Man, it went all the, so from the top all the way down to there, all the way around. I feel like I could totally chop it that way, but I'm gonna go back through the same hole, at least as much as possible.
Is that supposed to be the brain?
Nope, here's the brain right here.
Yeah. Did you get the brain?
Yep. So you can see here is the brain right there, or what simulates the brain. You can see where we crushed the top of the brain completely. It's really hard, the brain. I can pull a piece out, I'm sure. Ooh, wow, this is much more rigid than this stuff. At least it's a little more dense. The actual brain particle, but that's basically
brain
what
particle.
Fake brain part.
Fake brain.
Term? Fake brain.
Yep. I knew that was gonna happen.
Yeah, I did too. Let's see the damage. Oh. Okay. So, we opened his mouth.
Can you imagine what our neighbors are thinking right
now? See if this thing could see me. Look at this. We made him talk. Before, his mouth did not open up. His jaw was not functional, but now it is.
Fred, what do you think, buddy?
How to give a kukri a bath. Step 1, put the kukri outside where the fake blood on it won't get on anything else. Step 2, turn on the hose. Okay. Nothing, I'm good. Sort of. I don't think you got the hose on there very well. Oh, Okay, well, step 3, put a little bit of that Dawn dish soap on him. Step 4 is gonna be hose that sucker off. Look at him, he's such a clean little kukri now. I was giving the kukri a bath.
Give me